1971 Ford Torino sports roof or fastback. It has a 351 two-barrel Cleveland in it. It is a GT. It's a bucket seat car, column shift. Car came out of Wisconsin. It was pretty solid for Wisconsin. The story is the owner brought it into the body shop, put down a down payment to start the work on the car. The body shop completely disassembled the car. Nuts, bolts, bagged, everything bagged and tagged. They got to a certain point on the unibody shell or the shell of the car, and the money had run out, so they contacted the owner, and the owner never got back to them. It sat at the body shop for 3 years, and the owner finally came in one day, just threw the title on the counter, and gave up on it. So they put an ad on Craigslist. I happened to see the ad 3 months before I moved to Tennessee. I bought the car. We had to reassemble the car, put the engine, transmission, front end, steering, everything back in the car, hang sheet metal on it that was bare metal, and make the car drivable. We drove it up on the trailer. I brought it to Tennessee, and it sat in my building for 3 years. It's about time now I finally get this car going. I want to get it finished. I used to have one. I sold it. I never thought I'd find another one. So this is it. Hopefully I get this one done. Hopefully it's the car I want, but you never know. So we'll see what happens. Thanks.